Want to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Edge by installing custom extensions from CRX files? First, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the three dots located in the top right corner of the browser. From the Settings menu, select Extensions on the Extensions page. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. Go ahead and switch this toggle to the On position. With Developer Mode enabled, a new button will appear. Load Unpacked. Click on the Load Unpacked button. A File Explorer window will pop up. Locate the folder where you've saved your CRX file. Important note: you need to extract the CRX file first. Once extracted, select the folder containing the extensions files and click Select Folder. And that's it. The extension is now installed and active in Microsoft Edge. You should see it listed on the extensions page. You can now access the extensions features by clicking on its icon in the Edge toolbar, or by managing its settings directly from the extensions page. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience.